Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain manage catalog in Databricks. Okay. So let me click on any of the available catalog. Let's click on this. Okay. So in manage catalog, what we can do, we can change the configuration of catalog. Okay. So this is overview. In the overview, we can see we have owner. Okay. We have available schema inside this catalog. When I click on detail, we can see the detail of this catalog. Okay, like catalog ID, when it was created, who created, what is the storage location. In advanced section, we have a data classification. Now it is disabled, but we can enable if we need. Predictive optimization, this is enable. What is predictive optimization? I will explain in other video. Okay, storage root, we selected default storage. Encryption setting, it is disabled. So this kind of configuration we change as per our need. Okay, permission. So when I click on permission, we can see who has a permission to this catalog and what kind of privilege that user has. Okay, if we want to provide access to any of the user, we just need to click on grant. Then we need to select a user. Let me select the user. Okay. Now, what are the privileges we want to provide? Here we have a list of privileges. So based on the requirement, based on the nature of user, we can provide a privilege. Okay. If we know users need almost all kind of privilege, then we can directly go with all privilege. Okay, we can see as soon as I clicked on all privilege, all above one got marked. Okay, now next is policy. So we can create a policy at catalog level. Okay, so what is policy, how does it work, and what is the use of policy? I will explain in separate video. Okay, next is workspace. So when I click on workspace, I can see this catalog is available in which workspace. Okay, as of now, this catalog is available in this workspace ID. Okay, but if we want, we can assign this catalog to other workspaces also. Now let's click on three dot. In the three dot, we have an option rename. So when I click on rename, we can rename this catalog. Okay, manage access request destination. Let's click on that. So access request destination. So in this, we need to provide a email destination. So what happen if we provide any email address? Okay, then after that, if any user request to get access to this catalog, what will happen? First, the user whose email ID we provided will get notification that person may be a data owner or catalog owner. So when they approve, only then the requester will get access. Okay, this is the use case. Next is delete. So in the delete, we can delete this catalog. Next is assign certification. In this, we have a three parts: certified, deprecated, none. Okay, so if none means nothing, okay, means we don't know the status of this catalog. But when we click on certified and any user open this catalog, by seeing this, they can understand this catalog is ready to use and it is following all organization standard. When I click on deprecated and save, if any user open this catalog, they can understand like it is discontinued and no longer in use. Okay, this is the use of assign certification. Now let's see how to delete this catalog using SQL. Okay, let's click on SQL editor. and we have this drop catalog. Sorry, I just pasted. We need to provide a catalog name. Let me drop this one. Okay, so I'm just running the query to drop this catalog. This next part is optional. Let me remove. This is also optional. Catalog Databricks learn catalog is not empty. Okay, it means this catalog has some object, either schema or anything. Okay, so if any of the catalog has some object, then we cannot directly delete that catalog. First, we need to delete those objects. Okay, or else we have a option like cascade. Okay, so what will happen? First, it will drop the object of this catalog, then it will drop the catalog. Now we can see it executed. Okay, so when we apply cascade, assume the catalog has schema. Inside schema we have a table. So what cascade does, first cascade drop the schema inside the catalog, it drop the tables, it drop everything, all the object that is under catalog, then it drop the catalog. Okay, so we cannot directly drop the catalog if catalog has some objects. So one more SQL query we have, describe catalog. So just now we have seen the detail of catalog. Okay, but if we want to see the detail of catalog using SQL query, we can see describe catalog name. Let me give the name. So here we can see the details, catalog name, owner, catalog type. So this is all about manage catalog in Databricks.